Hey guys, and welcome back to Living with Charnelle. I am excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need plantain. This is actually not ripe, preferably plantain that's green or getting to the right side, kind of like this. So when you press, you can tell that it's not ripe. So you will need plantain, a knife of course to peel your plantain. Some people like to season theirs. I don't. You can season it with like black pepper and salt and a bunch of other stuff. I don't, so I'm not going to season mine, but it was just an option. You are going to need a surface and something to beat your plantain, and of course you will need your cooking oil. So I have here some oil that I'm going to be using. Okay, so the oil is ready. I'm going to cut mine in half. I like mine just in half. I don't like it too small. I'm going to drop that into my oil slowly. Don't burn yourself. I'm going to deep fry that for maybe 2 minutes. So this has been frying for exactly 2 minutes. I'm going to flip it so you can see it's a little bit brown. I'm just going to flip all of the plantain, let it fry for about 2 more minutes on the other side. So the secret to making sure that this fries the right way is that the oil has to be more than the plantain. It should not be less than this. If possible, you should fry it into a deep fryer. I didn't want to bring mine here and warm a whole deep fryer just for a few plantains, but usually I do this in a deep fryer if I'm going to do more than 4 plantains. So if you're going to use a pan like this, you have to put a lot of oil, but just make sure that the oil doesn't spill over because you don't want to burn your house or yourself. So as you can see, the plantain is not burned, it's not overcooked, it's just perfect. Look at that. Look how beautiful that plantain looks. So now go ahead and reduce your fire and remove your plantain one by one. Use whatever you need to beat it. This is the time you're also going to go ahead and season it. So if you want to season your plantain, you can add salt and black pepper or whatever spices you want. You can add parsley leaves, oregano leaves, whatever you want. So see that color? That's what the plantain should look like. So it should look flat like this, and then you're going to drop it back into your oil, and you're going to repeat the steps for the rest. Also, you have to make sure that you're beating this plantain the right way, because if you're not beating the right way, it's going to break. See that? I beat that the wrong way and it broke. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do this. I will tell you why. I will show you how to avoid that from breaking. So this is the last plantain. I'm going to show you how to beat this the right way. This is the stomach of the plantain and this is the back. You want it facing on the side, just like you're laying on your back on your side. That's how you want to do it, because if you beat it this way, it's going to crack. So you're putting so much pressure, it's going to crack. If you beat it this way, it's going to do the same. You want to beat it on the side so it doesn't crack. Sorry for the noise, but that's a trick to avoid these from cracking. See how beautiful that is. Look at that, so beautiful. Once you beat your plantain, you have to fry it a little bit longer, maybe like about 4 minutes on each side, because it has to be crusty. Oh, look at that, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so ready to eat this. It's the crunchiest plantain you will ever have. Like, time to remove this from the fire. I'm gonna just remove it one by one. Why is frying? Of course, because I need it to keep frying for the ones that are not ready. And I have here just paper towel to drain the oil. You have to be careful if you're using this fork, because you don't want to burn yourself. Beautiful color, beautiful color, beautiful. Look at that. The colors are beautiful. You can eat this with eggs, you can eat it the way it is. You can eat it with fried spinach, fried cabbage, which is hot pepper, tomato sauce, whatever you want to eat it with. It's best eaten with vegetables, so I usually like mine with fried cabbage or fried spinach. You can add salt to it if you want, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna add some black pepper. Just spice it up a little bit. Very good.